Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make crab kebab. Start by patting dry 1 lb lump crab and mixing with 1 egg and 1/2 cup panko. Add lemon zest, 1 tsb salt, 1/2 tsb pepper, and 1/4 tsb paprika. Form onto skewers gently, chill 20 minutes, then grill or pan-sear until golden and cooked through, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Combine crab with binder, seasoning, and aroma in a bowl, folding gently to keep lumps. Use 1/4 cup minced shallot and 1 tablespoon chopped parsley for brightness. Squeeze in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and adjust salt to taste. If mixture feels loose, add more panko 1 tablespoon at a time. Shape onto oiled skewers and refrigerate for 20 minutes so kebabs hold together better during cooking. Heat your grill or skillet to medium-high and oil it lightly to avoid sticking. Place kebabs and cook 3 to 4 minutes per side, turning carefully once to keep shape. Aim for a golden crust and an internal temperature about 145 degrees F, with flakes that separate gently. Rest kebabs 3 minutes off heat so juices redistribute, then finish with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for bright flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.